Fellas, I'm out here in the garage this morning, and I just had to do this video because I can't believe what I'm seeing. Maybe you guys can kind of figure it out. This is on my 55 Pro Street that I'm working on. I got the paint job done, got it cleared, and got it polished. Everything's going fine. And then I started putting the bare metal foil on. Now, this is a first for me. I'm going to show you guys this. I don't know if you can see it, but the bare metal foil it's jagged around the edges. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's jagged around the edges from the blade cut. And what had happened, now look on the top of this trim here. Look at that, where it's chipping the paint away. Now, let me set this down and I'll explain a little bit. Well, let me show you this side. This is what I do. Because here, it's doing the same thing on this side. Look at the big chip of paint that came out. Alright, I cut me a strip and I burnish it down on the trim. And then I take my X-Acto knife, just like always, and just lightly let the blade, the weight of the blade, do the cutting. I just run it across the, use the trim as my guide and run it across. And I don't know what is going on with this, but after I do the initial cut, and a lot of times you got to go back because there's, it didn't get close enough. And when I'm doing that, that second trim, I can just feel the paint chipping. And that's got clear coat on it as well. I haven't got a clue. So I initially thought, when I did this side, I thought, what in the heck is going on here? So I thought, well, now when I first started back here, this is the first piece I put on. And it started chipping away at the paint. And I thought, well, daggone it, those blades aren't any good, So out of that pack of blades with the red cap, I switched blades. And then I put this piece on, and it was doing the same thing. Look at that. It's cutting ragged edges and chipping paint. So I thought, well, all right, let me get another batch of blades. These were purchased at a different store, so I changed blades again. That's when I went to this side. And it got even worse, because you can see the top of that trim. Look how ragged that is. You can just see, as you're cutting, you can just feel and see the bare metal foil just making a ragged cut. So then I thought, all right, I've got some old and I've got some new bare metal foil. I was using the new, so I decided to go back to the old. And I got the same results. I have no clue. I don't know what is going on here. I have changed blades, changed bare metal foil, and that doesn't seem to be the issue. And I just really I don't get it. And this was one of my better paint jobs that I did, and it is totally ruined. I mean, there's no save. Look at that big chip out of there on the bottom. There's no saving that. So I don't know what has happened. I tell you, from a while back, I was having troubles with the bare metal foil not sticking like everybody else was having the same issue. And I told myself, I'm not going to do any more models that has a lot of bare metal foil. I want nothing at all or very little. And here I went right back into a lot of bare metal foil, and I end up with this. So I haven't got a clue of what's going on here. So that body's pretty much ruined. I mean, there's no saving that. So guys, leave me some comments down below. What the heck? Any of you guys ever seen this? I mean, I've got this piece on here at the front. I've got it burnished down, and I'm going to cut it and see what happens. Now, this is the new bare metal foil, and I've got a new blade in, and I know what's going to happen. Same thing's going to happen, but I don't know. You guys leave me some comments on what you think. You ever had this happen? All right, I'm done.